Hello everybody and welcome to our new tutorial. Today we are doing something super fun and different. We are going to transform this beautiful doll. Instead of using air dry clay, we are gonna use real hair, and we are going to make a wig cap so that we don't have to glue the hair directly to the doll. This is my very first time doing a wig. Let's get started. For the wig cap, we are gonna use a fabric. This is just from an old t-shirt that I had. I'm just using regular white glue. We are going to cover all the cap with 2 or 3 layers of glue. I'm gonna use a plastic bag and I'm gonna make lines with the glue. Well, beautiful people, I really hope you love this video. I can't wait to make more videos like this one if you want me to. I had so much fun and it was quite difficult to do. I believe with some experience it will get easier and I hope it will look so much better than this. Maybe I should have made the hair longer and add a little bit more to the back, but overall I am really happy with the result. I love the doll. Let me know in the comments what do you think of this doll, and if you're not part of the Mint family, please join us by subscribing to our channel. Click the notification bell so you never miss one of my videos. Also, if you have Instagram, you can tag me in your pictures. My name is Mintdahlia. I love you a lot. I love seeing your creation and I can show your creations in one of my videos if you like. Thank you so much for your comments and video ideas. I love them all. Keep being awesome and I will see you tomorrow. Mint out. Bye bye.